Yes, the world record that I'm going to attempt this evening is something I devised. I'm the only person who does this particular stunt, and I named it Flaming Pick. Essentially what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to be holding a flaming, fire-eating torch between the teeth, and I'm going to be handcuffed. And I'm going to have to pick open the handcuffs while holding the flame in my mouth. I'm going to try and do this as fast as possible to set a world record. So what we have is a pair of police handcuffs, and we're going to have our fire torch. And in order for me to escape, I'll be using some bobby pins. These are courtesy of my girlfriend, because, well, I don't really need them. So I actually like to hand these out. Just have a look at them, make sure they are real handcuffs. While I'm quickly prepared.
Go ahead, give it a feel the handcuffs, make sure they're indeed real. These are actually regulation handcuffs. Alright, now, what's next, Lee?
So we have our torch, and what we're going to do is, Brendan is going to first put in the handcuffs. On the handcuffs. Perfect. Now the torch. Ready to have our. I've got my lockpick, I've got a torch. In fact, you will just light it for me. And we are going to record this to try and set a world record.
Right, so what we will do is we'll count down 3, 2, 1, go, only after we've lit the torch.
Now I'll put it into my mouth and begin the escape.
So as soon as the word go is heard, Philip over there will press the timer and Lee will put the flaming torch into his mouth. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Right. Right. And 3, 2, 1, go. He's just set a black board record, ladies and gentlemen.